to be making those delicious Caribbean chicken wings that I had marinating overnight. So I actually had them marinating overnight. So they've been marinated twice. I did the Bulgarian yogurt. I marinated them in the Bulgarian yogurt, and then I rinsed them off, and then I marinated them with dry rub. And if you look back at my video, post it there on the corner. I'll tell you what I put in it. Basically, I did a combination of masala, some coriander, some onion, garlic, and some salt, and white pepper, and paprika, because I love that paprika. No, nothing spicy. Paprika, I did, I don't remember, but if you click, it should be on the end caption there. So what I started off was with, I did a little grapeseed oil, little extra virgin olive oil, and I put just a little bit of canola oil, expeller pressed canola oil, and then I have the onions, celery, and carrots that are sauteing right now. And then I'm going to slice up some peppers, and these are some of the leftover peppers that I found. And I'm just going to cut those up, just chop them up. I mean, if you want to get fancy and julienne them and do all that hard work, extra work, well, yeah, I guess you would if you were in a 5-star, right? Okay. So I have these nice Roundup. I think they're called Roundup. They look like little pumpkins, but they're actually bell peppers, red bell peppers. And I just de-seeded them, and I'm going to turn that up a little bit. Then I have this pepper. This is like an Anaheim, so I'm going to try it first before I put it in there. Always use your knuckles to guard your fingers. Okay. And let me see. Let me try it. Not bad. It's got flavor and it's not spicy, so I think this is a banana pepper or I think it's a banana pepper. I'm not too sure. But I just bought a whole bunch of peppers and thought they were pretty, so I'm going to put that in there. Saute that. Like that. And I added just a little bit of salt. I'm going to go ahead and put some thyme in there. I have thyme with the chicken, so I'm going to add extra thyme. It's almost close to like a jerk chicken without all the spicy, all the harsh. I mean, jerk chicken is very delicious, but it doesn't have all that. This is a little bit more, I would say, kind of like along the ways of that. This is a little bit more, I don't know. I think it's just a little bit more savory. Oh, it smells so good! Okay, so I'm going to put some Sauvignon Blanc, this white wine. Any kind of wine will do, so I'm going to go ahead and pour that in, deglazing the bottom of it. Okay. Now I'm going to take a couple of cloves of garlic and put them in. Okay. Then I'm going to throw that in there. Do another garlic. And these are pretty big cloves, see? Pretty good big size cloves. So you just kind of blend that in there. It looks really pretty. It's gorgeous. Okay, there you have it. And that thyme, it's going to make it really nice. And then, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and layer these. I'm going to nestle them in. There you go. Then, let me rinse off my hand real quick. Sorry, I'm wiggling around a lot. Wanted you to get a close-up. So, okay. There you have it. I'm going to add a little bit more wine because you want to make sure, I'm telling you, this is delicious. And then I'm going to cover it up. Okay, it's like a nice cast iron skillet. And I'm going to lower the heat. And I'm going to let it simmer. Simmer for a while. And then when I come back, it should be good. I hope so. Okay, so I'll show you the end results when it's done. I might. And maybe I might not. I don't know. Anyways, it should be doing real well. I mean, it should cook in this nice, beautiful cast iron skillet. You gotta have one of these. These are so cool to have because it just cooks evenly, and I think I've said that before in one of my. And I'm just babbling. Talk to you soon. All right, bye.